The 1,500 worth of chocolate, fresh from Dubai, pasalubong of my ate. And we're gonna taste it if it is worth the price of 1,500 pesos. So as you can see, he got a cover and a cover again. Wow, nice. Let's have a picture again. Dapat sino pipicturean mo?
So,
I'll cut it in half. We'll cut it. Wow! It's a combination of pistachio inside.
natural lah. Such a natural.
Okay, I'm dividing the chocolate. This is for Trisha, J.A., Pai, and Len. And this is for me. J.A., Trisha, come on, you taste. Leno.